Are you tired of blindly entering trades without knowing where the market might reverse or break out? What if you had a trading bot that actually understands how the market behaves around real support and resistance zones, just like a professional trader would? That's exactly what the support and resistance Deriv bot is designed to do. This isn't just another random binary bot. It's a smart auto trader built for the Deriv platform that reads market highs, lows, and pivot points to determine where price action is most likely to react. It scans every candle and tick, calculating where buyers or sellers are likely to step in, and then makes calculated rise-fall trades on the Volatility 50 index, with accuracy and timing you can trust. The best part? It runs completely on autopilot. You just set your initial stake, choose your target profit and stop loss, and let the bot handle the rest. With built-in martingale logic and a max-level cap, it's designed to recover from small losses safely without risking your whole account. You no longer need to worry about overtrading or guessing entry points. And because it's coded to detect key support and resistance zones, it only enters trades when real opportunities are present, filtering out market noise and fake signals. If you're someone who values logic over luck and wants to trade with a tool that's built for precision, then this bot is for you. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader looking for consistency, the Support and Resistance Deriv bot gives you the edge you need. Download it today and experience what it feels like to trade with real market insight, automated.